Hi everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Happy Life channel. Today we're going to be talking about Salma Hayek, one of the most talented and successful actresses in Hollywood. We'll be discussing her childhood, her parents, how she stays healthy, and how she got famous. So let's get started. Salma Hayek was born in Coatzacoalcos, Mexico, on September 2, 1966. At the time this video made, she is 56 years young. Her father, Sami Hayek Dominguez, was a Lebanese businessman, and her mother, Diana Jimenez Medina, was a Mexican homemaker. Hayek has two younger siblings, Sammy and Hassan. Hayek's parents were very supportive of her dream of becoming an actress. They enrolled her in drama classes when she was a child, and they encouraged her to pursue her passion. Hayek was a natural actress, and she quickly began to get roles in Mexican telenovelas. Hayek is a very health-conscious person. She eats a mostly plant-based diet, and she exercises regularly. She is also a big fan of yoga and meditation. Hayek believes that staying healthy is essential for both her physical and mental well-being. Hayek eats a mostly plant-based diet, which means that she eats mostly fruits, vegetables, and grains. She also eats some fish and eggs, but she avoids meat. Hayek believes that a plant-based diet is better for her health and for the environment. Here is a sample of what Hayek might eat in a day. Breakfast: oatmeal with berries and nuts. Lunch: salad with grilled chicken or fish. Dinner: veggie stir-fry with brown rice. Snacks: fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds. Hayek also likes to drink green juice and smoothies. She believes that these drinks are a great way to get a boost of nutrients. Salma Hayek loves chicken soup because it is a comfort food that reminds her of her childhood. She grew up in Mexico, and chicken soup was a staple in her family's diet. She says that it is the perfect food to eat when you are feeling sick or under the weather. Hayek's chicken soup recipe is a simple one, but it is full of flavor. She uses bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, which give the soup a rich flavor. She also adds a variety of vegetables, including carrots, celery, onions, and serrano peppers. To cook the soup, Hayek first sears the chicken thighs in olive oil. This helps to brown the chicken and give it a deeper flavor. She then adds the vegetables and broth to the pot, and she simmers the soup for about an hour. Once the soup is cooked, Hayek removes the chicken from the pot and shreds it. She then returns the chicken to the soup, and she seasons it with salt and pepper to taste. Hayek's chicken soup is a delicious and comforting dish that is perfect for a cold day. It is also a great way to use up leftover chicken. Here is a recipe for Salma Hayek's chicken soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 6 bone-in skin-on chicken thighs, 1 large onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 serrano pepper seeded and minced, 6 cups chicken broth, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chicken thighs and cook for 5-7 minutes per side or until browned on both sides. Remove the chicken from the pot and set aside. Add the onion, carrots, celery, and serrano pepper to the pot and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until softened. Add the chicken broth to the pot and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pot and shred it with 2 forks. Return the chicken to the pot and season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot. Tips: if you don't have serrano peppers, you can substitute another type of hot pepper, such as a jalapeno or habanero. You can also add other vegetables to the soup, such as potatoes, corn, or green beans. If you want a thicker soup, you can add a cornstarch slurry. To make a cornstarch slurry, whisk together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water. Add the slurry to the soup and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the soup thickens. This soup is best served fresh, but you can also freeze it for later. Hayek exercises regularly, but she doesn't like to do the same thing every day. She likes to mix it up and try different types of exercise. Some of her favorite activities include yoga Pilates, hiking, swimming, dancing. Hayek believes that exercise is important for both her physical and mental health. She says that it helps her to stay strong, flexible, and mentally sharp. Hayek is a big fan of yoga and meditation. She believes that these practices are essential for her overall well-being. Yoga helps her to stay flexible and strong, and meditation helps her to relax and de-stress. Hayek says that she tries to practice yoga and meditation every day. She says that they help her to feel more grounded and connected to herself. Salma Hayek has shared her morning and nighttime beauty routines in interviews and on her social media channels. Here are some of the key things she does. Morning routine. Washes her face with a gentle cleanser. Applies a toner to her face. Uses a serum to hydrate her skin. Applies a moisturizer with SPF. Puts on makeup, which she says is usually just foundation, lipstick, and mascara. Takes a few minutes to meditate or do some yoga. Nighttime routine. Removes her makeup with a cleansing oil. Washes her face with a gentle cleanser. Applies a toner to her face. Uses a serum to hydrate her skin. Puts on a moisturizer. Sometimes uses a face mask. Gets a good night's sleep. Hayek says that she is not a slave to her beauty routine, and she often skips steps if she is feeling rushed. She also says that she is not afraid to experiment with different products and find what works best for her skin. Here are some other tips that Hayek has shared for maintaining her skin. Drink plenty of water. Eat a healthy diet. Get enough sleep. Avoid smoking and excessive sun exposure. Use sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days. Be gentle with your skin. Hayek's beauty routine is simple and effective. She focuses on using products that hydrate and protect her skin, and she takes the time to relax and de-stress each day. Her routine is a great example of how to achieve beautiful skin without spending a lot of time or money. Salma Hayek is a very health-conscious person. She eats a mostly plant-based diet, exercises regularly, and practices yoga and meditation. She believes that staying healthy is essential for both her physical and mental well-being. Subscribe to my channel for more tips, The Healthy Happy Life. Thanks for watching.